All right, fellas, I'm out here in the garage this morning. Let's do a time and temperature check. It is about 20 after 9, 64 degrees, 46% humidity. Man, it's colder than that outside, and it's windy. It is chilly, but it feels pretty good in here. Been out here doing a little wet sanding and polishing on the old 50 olds. But guys, today is the day for the drawing for the Pay It Forward contest we got going on here. And here's the two kits I've got boxed up. Y'all know I'm sending out two kits. So there's the two kits, and we're getting ready to spin the wheel and see who the winner is. Here's the list. We've got 22 people that participated. So let's get on over here. I'm going to make this a short video, guys. I just want to let everybody know who the winner is. So here we go. Here we got 22 entries, all on the wheel. And here we go, guys. We're going to spin it and see who the winner is here. Let's go. There she goes. All right, guys, number 20, you see that? Let's go over and see who number 20 is. Number 20, Pappy Tinkers. All right, dude. Congratulations, man. We are going to ship these kits out. I'll see if I can't get a hold of you, or you can get a hold of me, one way or the other. Let me have your mailing address, and I will get these shipped out ASAP. So, congratulations, dude. All right, I'm done.